The barrier to AI modeling has truly been flattened this time. It's no longer an exclusive skill for professionals. Nor do you need to build shapes from scratch. Whether you have an idea, an image, or even just a casual doodle, I can now transform it into a three-dimensional, refined, and even pre-textured model after its recent upgrade. Human, okay? Has significantly improved its ability to generate complex geometric shapes. I tested it with a popular Labubu blind box image, and the moment it generated the model, the form was precise. The surface is smooth, and the textures applied quite naturally. From a flat illustration to an editable 3D mesh, it took less than 20 seconds. It also supports export formats like .obj, .gltf, and even .stl, making it ready whether you want to import it into Unity for scene or send it straight to a 3D printer. What's more, you don't even need to be a modeling artist. The entire process happens in the browser. No installation, no lengthy tutorials. Upload gives generate gives download. That's it. I tried generating several character models in different styles, and each result was highly usable. Clear textures, reasonable structure, and almost no need for post-processing. It might quietly be transforming many industries. Merchandise design, indie game development, digital art, personalized 3D printing. So, what other unexpected applications can you think of? Share your ideas in the comments. Let's explore the possibilities together.